Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
It's one really dark alley. Hello there. It's me in the dark. And we're gonna be starting in this dark alley. And what I'm gonna do in this particular video is I'm going to walk out into the light of San Malo Ensenado Square. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna go back a week again later when it's a little bit not as dark, and I'm gonna go back down to this alley again and we're gonna see what's in there exactly. And before I even do, what we're gonna do is do a little bit of music so you can see the preview, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do the walk and talk where you can hear me interact and with the camera as I explore this little Esquinas, this little corner, Pátio, Macau.
Sun, 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 Malo. Show me the lights, those dim bright lights of San Malo. Show me, show me, show me San Malo. Walk with me, walk with me, walk with me to San Malo. From the inner harbor to the outer bay, the arcades, the city lights, so, so bright. Show me, show me, show me San Malo. San Malo, San Malo. San Malo. Oh, 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 San Malo. Oh, San Malo.
This is a really weird alley. Danger. Pátio das Esquinas. It's this little alley. It was so dark in that little alley in there that it felt like somebody could have actually been in there. There's like water bottles right next to that window. This is so weird. So we're gonna come out of here. That was like pitch black in there. Pátio das Esquinas. Pátio of the squares. And now we're out on this out in this space right here. Hotel Central. Yeah, it's so weird. Right there. So strange. It feels like someone that was so pitch black in there that somebody could be sleeping there. Like you just have no idea. Okay, so we're gonna walk on out. And that little patio is right, not too far from San Malo. Just to kind of give you an idea. It's kind of, I think it was on the other side of this building right here. Hotel Central's right there. Yeah, little Hotel Esquinas is right in that corner. So anyways, I thought I would at least take on that little tiny Esquinas. And we're just gonna go across over here. Actually, I might not. I'll get 8 seconds, so I will. So I'm gonna capture that Esquinas from the other side of the street because I got 1 second. Now we can kind of see what this looks like from this angle. So let me just kind of catch it like that. Then we're gonna walk a little bit towards Sonata Square here. And then basically that little Esquinas was right on the other side. So we're going to walk down that way a little bit. And so I believe that Esquinas was like between these two buildings. So we're actually gonna walk over that way and just kind of go into this arcade of San Malo. Man, that little, that's so weird, that little Esquinas. I don't think I filmed that before. And it's right to the left. So there it is right there. So that's the little alley of that little Esquinas. So that Patio dos Esquinas is between these two buildings, and there's Bostonix right there, and there's this building right there, and our little alley was like right there. Right there. Give you a quick 360 here. These are the San Malo, these little arcades. This goes down to a coffee shop. And they have like flower shop in this, in the daytime, this Barbero lane. And that was our focus street on the other side of that bus, so you can see a little bit. All right, so there you go. Patio dos Esquinas. So I'm back. I came back about a week later, I guess, and we're going to come back when it's a little bit not quite as dark and just kind of see how dark that actually is. So this is this little courtyard, Esquinas. We'll just kind of show you around it real quick. So that's Sonata Square was straight over there, which we walked over the other time. Somebody coming down the bike. See how dark that is. It's as dark as it seemed the other day. I feel like somebody could follow me in here. Kind of see what it is now. So This is really damp. Got rat control. That in there is actually, it's like equipment and it looks pretty damp. Smells funny. Danger. This is kind of a strange space. Esquinas. We're gonna come on out. And so yeah, so that's basically Esquinas. It's that little thing on the corner there. I'm just going to end the video. Esquinas.